This is the Deuce. It's a parking lot. We went from one parking lot to another parking lot.
Kyle, Ladybird and I just decorated the Nunmobile, like just married to Jesus.
That's hella tight. What you did is very baller, very anarchist.
Yeah, fuck 'em.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna snitch on you.
I hope not, because I'd fucking kill your family.
What?
Sorry, that was an exaggeration.
It's okay. My dad has cancer, so I guess God is doing that for us.
Oh. I'm sorry.
You work at New Helvetia, right?
Right,
Could I get your number? We were looking to set up some gigs down there.
definitely. It's my parents' number.
You don't have a cell phone.
Nah.
Good girl. The government didn't have to put tracking devices on us. We bought them and put them on ourselves.
I don't own a tracking device.
No, the cell phones. See?
How?
Yeah, I know. I mean, you'll have one eventually. Everyone's gonna have one. Then it'll only be a matter of time
Before what?
before they put them in our brains.